Motors will have various damages, such as insulation aging, mechanical damages by the influence of the grade and the load side. The consequence of the motor faults is obvious. They might cause motor damage or burning to increase the maintenance cost or even production break-off and decrease the productivity. In some extreme circumstances, security accident may happen. Let's focus on two major faults of the motors during their running: symmetrical faults and asymmetrical faults. Three-phase short circuit, overload, and stall. Those account great amount to the symmetrical faults. When the faults happen, the three-phase current is balanced. There is no negative current and zero current as well. But the damage to the motor is bringing heat effect by the enlargement of the current. On the contrary, three-phase imbalance, single-phase ground connection, or face-to-face short circuit are the major phenomena of the asymmetrical faults. When such fault happens, there is no obvious overcurrent, but the negative current increases significantly. So the damage of the motor is the negative sequence effect caused by the negative current, such as terminal overheat of the motor, road vibration, and the decrease of the start torque. Generally, comparing to the other mechanical devices, motor as one of the most important devices in the automation production industry ensures the motor continuous operation is the priority of the user and the service engineers.